Welcome to Project Pro Code Recipes. In this video, we are going to learn on creating your own simulated data for classification type problem. So this is my code snippet. I've copied this code and I've pasted that in my Jupyter notebook. I'll explain to you the code over here as well as run this for you. So let's get started. There are basically three types of problems: classification problem, regression problem, and clustering problem. Regression problem is about predicting continuous data. For example, consider sale of a big mart company. Now those the sales are continuous. For example, the sale of day 1 is 20,000, the sale of day 2 can be 21,700, and for the third it can be 10,000. So these are continuous values. Whereas in classification, you specifically need to classify something into two or more than two different categories. Consider example of image processing, where you have been given a lot of images and you need to classify those images into whether they are cat or a car. So this is classification problem. Clustering means grouping the problem. Clustering is a very common thing that is used during NLP. So in NLP, you have been given a long data, a list of lines. For example, your data set contains of lines, 20,000 to 30,000, and you need to tag them based on the categories they belong to. So for example, one belongs to sports category, the second belongs to finance category, the third belongs to Hollywood or Bollywood category. So these are the example of clustering problems. So that was all about the differentiations. Now let's get started with the code. So these are two print statements. Now from sklearn or data sets, import make classification. And now if I needed to make a regression program, I would have written make underscore regression. For clustering, make underscore blobs. So these all are these are the features that sklearn provides. It already had some preloaded data sets, but you can make your own data set. I could have, for regression problem, consider I could have imported Boston dataset, which is a very famous dataset, and it is also preloaded in sklearn. Now you can go for more. You can get more details about how to make your own regression and clustering problem in the provided in the link below, because I have already uploaded the videos of how to make your clustering and classification problems. Now import pandas as PD. So make underscore classification, n samples is equal to 100. I want 100 samples. I want 10 features. All the 10 should be informative. None of them should be redundant. Now I want three classes, and the total uh, targets, that is the total number of targets, should be distributed in the format of 0.2, 0.3, and 0.8. Now the weights given to the targets are 0.2, 0.3, and 0.8. Now the print statement, so basically it gives out the numpy matrix. Features and output are the numpy matrix, so you need to convert them into data frame. Now pd.data frame features, so you need to pass the list of name for a list of names for creating the column heading. Now print target class, so pd data frame output, the column of my output is target class dot head. I'll run the code. So you can see my feature matrix and my target class 11121. So now this was all about codes in this video. For more industry relevant project, you can visit our websites, and for more code recipes like this, you can visit our websites as well as our YouTube channel. You can also get your customized code by using the click here function, and the link for the code in this video is available in the description below. Thank you.